case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States has sided with an Indian tribe in a notable lawsuit. Kiowa Tribe of Oklahoma vs. Manufacturing Technologies, Inc., underlining the tribe's claim to sovereign immunity while tackling commercial activities. The case began when the tribe was unable to fulfill a payment to the company. Manufacturing Technologies, Inc. retaliated by instituting a lawsuit against the tribe in state court, contending that the tribe's claim to sovereign immunity did not protect them from commercial litigation. However, the lower court in Oklahoma City disagreed with the company's argument, siding with the tribe. It was found that the particular tribe in question, Kiowa Tribe of Oklahoma, signed a promissory note that agreed to pay the company a certain amount plus interest. The note, executed and delivered outside the tribe's lands in Oklahoma City, ambiguously neglected to indicate a governing law, but was clear in its protection of the tribe's sovereign rights. Appealing, the company brought the case to the Supreme Court, arguing against the tribal immunity. The Supreme Court, however, concurred with the lower court's ruling, thereby recognizing the tribe's sovereign immunity. The crux of the decision rested on the fact that Congress hadn't abolished tribal immunity, and the tribe itself hadn't voluntarily waived this right either. In this commercial skirmish, therefore, tribal immunity triumphed. The Supreme Court's decision reversed the Oklahoma Court of Civil Appeals and re-armored the tribe's shield of immunity. The verdict acknowledged Congress's upper hand in tipping the scales of policy concerns and reliance interests in tribal and foreign sovereign immunity cases. Ultimately, though, the ruling pointed out that this tribal immunity might not always be a given, particularly in the context of tribal enterprises venturing beyond traditional customs and activities. It, hence, nudged Congress, suggesting that more precise rules could be enacted for tribal immunity to adapt to modern, changing circumstances subject to constitutional limitations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.